Just listed. Saturday open house noon to 2 p.m. Ranch walkout on private, wooded 3.41 acre site with barn. Over 1,500 square feet featuring 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Updated throughout, open kitchen with dining area, stainless appliances, quartz tops, subway backsplash, tile floors, new lighting and hardware throughout. Main level laundry is a huge plus. 5-year-old complete tier off roof and 5-year-old high efficiency furnace and AC. Walkout level to patio, featuring large rec room, bedroom, full bath and big storage room. 3-season room. Attached oversized garage, a 300 square feet area of garage is finished and heated, could be hobby room.